So you may ask, what kinds of liquid, what kinds of thing we will put into the capacitor? So today we just put the material here. You can see this is the wire, not the drink. We can put the wire into the capacitor just to keep the core elements with a very perfect effect to protect the core element from the high temperature rise, to keep the capacitance with the long endurance. So after we just immerse the capacitor core element into the oil, then we will seal the cap. Then we can make the finishes the capacitor. So for example, this capacitor, we just finished the assembling, we finished the sealing, and we just paste the rating labels on the capacitor. And the rating labels you can see with our company logo, that is the pinky. And with the different specification status, like the voltages, capacitance, and the UL certification and the company name. And also about on the top of the capacitor, we have the serial number for this product. So it's very easy for us to follow the quality situations when we just ship it out into the market. And finally, after we check the product, the appearance, everything is fine, we will put the QC plus the small labels on the capacitor. So after we finish this, then we will packing and ship out to our customers. So thank you for everyone just looking for our classrooms for capacitors. So this lessons we just let everyone to have a study for our CBB65. So for next time lessons, we will have a classroom for CBB60. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.